Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are working on our Ariens snowblower. In this video we're going to show you how to check your tire pressure. And that's important for two reasons. Number one, the inflation or tire pressure is important for the proper efficiency and traction of your tires outside on that snow and ice. And number two, your tires are going to last a lot longer when they're properly inflated. Let's head outside and take a look. Alright YouTubers, outside at the snowblower now. Got my air compressor in position. The first thing we are going to do, let's address the left main tire here, and let's take off the valve cap. And on the tire, go around and find the actual lettering that states the PSI. And it looks like mine is up here. Max inflation 20 PSI. It is extremely important. Do not inflate these tires above the max inflation PSI because you actually may explode your tire, and that would not be good. So with that said, got my little gauge here and it's zeroed out, and I'm going to test the PSI. Looks like it's at 18, so I'm going to add a little bit of air and test it with the gauge. I like that, and I'll set that on the snowblower there. I want to make sure no dirt or debris got inside the actual cap, and reinsert it and secure it. Let's hop to the opposite tire. To the opposite side, remove the cap, set that in a safe dry location. Tire gauge is zeroed out, and that one's a little lower. So again, these are small tires. Just a little bit of air, maybe 2 to 3 seconds, will fill it up pretty good. And that's perfect right there. Again, check for any debris, no dust, no dirt. Reinsert the cap. At this point, what I'll do is I'll put my air compressor away, and again, it's important to know your tires operate at their peak performance level when they are properly filled with air and at their top PSI. It is also important to know that your tires will last a lot longer when you keep them at the proper PSI stated on the sidewall there. So as you can see, that was very quick and friendly. Hopefully you can do that as quick as we just showed you. Hopefully the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. And hey YouTubers, one more thing, we do have an entire playlist on working on this snowblower. So definitely check that out. You may find those videos inside that playlist very helpful.